Alright guys, hope you all are doing really well, and this is the other video about the Jimny going off-road into the mountains. And today I want to talk about the tire upgrade that I've done onto this particular vehicle, the Jimny. And I was a little confused about what size and what brand I'm going to put onto this vehicle. So eventually I happened to find out these imported tires, the ROADCRUZA RA1100s, 235 75 R15. This is the particular size of the tires that I've installed on my Jimny, and to my surprise they fit pretty well. So the other thing that I want to talk about is these tires, they do not stick out of the vehicle at all. 235 with the stock alloys is the perfect size that can fit onto the vehicle, and it is not touching under the wheel well in any circumstances according to my drive. And I'm not really sure of one thing: if there are going to be 4 people with full luggage, how well they're going to do, like as in they're going to touch the body or not. That is still an issue that we need to still address. But according to all the tests that I have done today and all the extreme articulations that I've tried with the vehicle, it is performing pretty well. The rear tires, the front tires, both the solid axles, the articulation, they have managed to do well with this particular size. And with the Jimny, the fitting is really good and nice. It gets rid of all that stupid stance the vehicle has. I mean, it is an off-roader, so highway terrain 195. I mean, that is no match for this vehicle. It is very capable according to my experience, and looking at the roads that I occasionally drive on, this is the perfect size to fit in. यहाँ पे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है मुझे कि बहुत गाड़ी कहीं बहुत ज़्यादा फंसने वाली है या बहुत फंस जाएगी. जहाँ पे मैं अभी ड्राइव कर रहा हूँ, दिस इज़ अ वेरी नैरो रोड. यहाँ पे गाड़ी लानी बहुत मुश्किल है. सो जस्ट लाइक अ माउंटेन गोट, एंड द लेगेसी ऑफ द जिप्सी, द साइज द जिप्सी हैड, दिस इज़ ऑलमोस्ट द सेम साइज, एंड it can easily like negotiate all the topsy-turvy roads, the curvatures that are present in the mountains. There are a lot of like different kinds of roads, and this road is very narrow, so all the turns and everything that is supposed to be there on the road, this vehicle can tackle easily, no issues at all. So the tires are not sticking out. There is a very good tread pattern onto this tire, and it almost resembles the BF Godrej KO2s. So I'll just give you a close-up of the tire treads, and let's have a look. Alright, so this is the tread that I'm talking about. This almost resembles the BF Godrej KO2 all-terrains, and they're doing an equally good job. I'm really sure of these tires now. This is the rear axle. ROADCRUZA RA1100s, and I'll show you the size. The size, it says 235 75 R15 all terrains. This is an Australian brand, ROADCRUZA, and they're doing a pretty good job as of now. There's still a lot of space in spite of the articulation. And check this out, man. Benefits of a solid axle.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Okay, so as we can see, too high में this car, I don't think it's going to climb this up until and unless we have enough momentum here. So the thing here is we're going to put in like 4 high. Even the 4 high needs a lot of momentum, so the last thing is 4 low. And with 4 low, I am really assured that this can climb this incline easily. So let's try it, guys.
fasten your seatbelt.
Okay, so that was no issues at all. We're going to try it again.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Now we're in the middle of this incline and let's try to pick it up from here. So let's see whether we can do it or not. Let's try it, guys. Easily.
Please.
No issues at all. You just need to know how to balance out the clutch and the acceleration, and in 4 low this is going to do wonders for any situation, especially with the grip of the tires. It's really like understood, it's doing a good job. Again.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
No issues at all whatsoever. And especially in the manual car, you have got a lot of control. Anytime you want to cut down the engine's power, this thing is going to do like, you can just press the clutch and the power of the engine to the wheels, it gets completely cut down. So anytime you think things are going out of control, just press the clutch and you are done with the situation. That's pretty much it. And but in the automatic cars, you've got to like pull down the gears and do whatnot. Especially your car, it needs to be stationary to get into the neutral position, if I'm not wrong. And that's a lot of trouble in a situation like this. Okay, so I'll try again with ease, no issues at all. And as you can see, this is pretty much an inclined position. So just like, here we go again. Yeah.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
No issues at all. Must tell you, the car really feels robust when you do this stuff.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Now we're going to try and do it in the reverse gear also. The people who have got lots of doubt that the reverse gears, they're not like powerful and whatnot. So let's try, guys. I hope we see the All Grip Pro system working out here.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Didn't have any problems of any kinds. Even the wheels are not rubbing like I was expecting them to rub, because these are the 235s and 235/75 R15. Let's try and do it in the standstill motion. All right, here we go. All Grip Pro. Didn't face any issues as such. Alright, so that is it for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And one thing is really important, please do subscribe, do like, and do comment. Any queries you have, I'm more than happy to answer them, and definitely will take out the time to address all the issues and questions that you guys might have. One thing is for sure, this is a very capable vehicle. Given the lightweight of the vehicle and the icy roads that we have here in Himachal, the mountainous rugged terrains and all the passes, let's see how it performs in all this particular kind of scenario and situation. So stay tuned and do subscribe, please.
On